Hi everyone. So let me start the reading for Scorpio ascendants for the second week of October from 9th to 15th October, and let's see that what's stored for them in second week of October. So let me take out the cards from tarot first. So let me take out the cards from Unicorn deck as well. That what Unicorns wants to convey to Scorpio ascendants for the second week of October. Got the So let me take out one more card from this Archangel deck. I don't want to inside that one card. Oh my god. Again, for Scorpio people also two cards are coming. I don't know how it's happening. Okay. The first card for Scorpio ascendant people is Nine of Swords, Two of Cups, Six of Wands. Okay, so how this energy is going to be in second week of October for Scorpio ascendant. See, if they were in any kind of stress or something due to love or anything, they will be coming out of that stress, and they are going to be in mutual energy. This two of cups energy, reconciliation or anything will happen. If you were stressed out of that, then that will happen and you will be getting victory into that. Okay, and might be it can lead to marriage proposals and anything as well. Okay, and if I take it as career wise, if you were very much stressed because of work, and you were not able to sleep because of work and getting stressed out, then you gonna get mutual understanding from your employer or from your business partners, and mutual exchange of responsibility will happen, and you gonna get victory in the end of the day. Okay, so this is going to be the energy for Scorpio people, and let me see that what Unicorn cards wants to tell you. Future, let go of the past and move forward. See, if you were in this energy So you have to come out of that energy, you have to be in this energy, mutual exchange energy, and then only the victory will be yours. Even the unicorns wants to give this message that come out of this trust energy and be in this mutual energy. Give equal, there should be equal give and take. If somebody is not giving you the proper credit, and if somebody is not giving you the equal opportunity and equal credit, then you should be in this energy, you should come in this energy, and you should balance that. Okay, then only you will get victory in the future, and then only in the future you are going to get victory. The unicorn cards are trying to tell this. So I got two cards for you from archangels. So one card is from Archangel Michael. I am blessed with deep understanding, I have a clear view of the truth, I am grateful that I have mental clarity, my spiritual life is full, I love to share my blessings with others, I have great poise and grace. The stone for you is sapphire. This is blue sapphire. Stone of Saturn. Are you feeling confused? Are you in search of wisdom and deeper spiritual insight? Engage in illuminating activities such as meditation, contemplation, and reflection to better understand the true nature of reality. Pray. Allow for spiritual truths to be revealed. Okay. So here, if you are in this energy, you have to pray, and you have to do meditation and all, and you have to look for your inner energy, inner wisdom. You have to work on that, work on your inner strength, and then only you would be able to balance your energy and would be able to succeed and get victory in your life. The angels are also saying this to you. Just balance your karma. See, if you can see the stone, sapphire stone, blue sapphire is the stone of Saturn, and you have to come in this Saturn energy, that you have to give equal, you have to be in that stage, equal give and take should be there, because Saturn always clears the karmas of everyone. So so that's why you have to be in that energy, and you have to clear your karma. And the next card is Archangel Thuriel. I am a caretaker of the earth. I spend time in nature. My connection with fairies is strong. I am a good gardener. It's easy to open myself up to allow the light in. I unlock the secrets of my soul. The stone is brown agate. Have you been spending time in nature? How does your garden grow? Whether you live in a small city, apartment, or on an expensive farm, you can always find a way to establish your roots in the earth and nature. Use the negative ions of the mountains, sea, or air for your overall well-being. So this card also wants to tell you that you are the caretaker of earth, and you are the caretaker of yourself also. You have to spend your time with nature, and you have to grow your garden of spirituality. You have to grow yourself. Okay, uh, just be in nature, sit near trees. If you are not in like a green, if you are in staying in city, just sit near near some plants, and have some plants at your home, in your balcony, and sit with them, talk to them, and connect with them. That's all what you have to do, is balance your energy. Okay, grounding is required for you. Walk barefoot on grass to balance the root chakra, and you ground your to ground your energy. So that's all for the Scorpio ascendants for the second week of October. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.